What if I told you this Cadillac isn't just luxury lorries, it's worth over $1 million. Today, we're going inside one of the most expensive custom Cadillac limousines ever built. From raw metal to gold plating to handcrafted luxury interiors, this is the complete factory build process.
Everything starts with a standard Cadillac padlock before it's transformed into something extraordinary.
Engineers inspect every inch of the chassis to ensure it can handle the extreme modifications ahead.
The frame is extended to limousine size, adding strength without compromising safety.
Additional steel reinforcements are welded to support the extra weight.
Was Dicko of Goer. A custom Airsum air suspension system is installed to keep the ride smooth and stable.
The engine is upgraded to deliver power worthy of this luxury beast.
An entirely new electrical system is designed to power advanced luxury features. Every exterior panel is handcrafted for a flawless finish. Before gold plating, the surface must be perfectly prepared.
Yes, sir, this limousine is coated with real gold.
The gold finish is sealed to ensure long-lasting brilliance. Custom mood lighting transforms the cabin experience. Each seat is hand-stitched using premium leather.
A full entertainment system turns this limo into a private theater.
This is where luxury meets engineering perfection.
Are you excited to see your aunt?
Yes, it's been too long. And this car is so smooth.
He seemed quite pleased with the results.
Yes, definitely. We should discuss the next steps now that we have some privacy.
All systems are showing green across the board. The window integration is seamless.
Excellent. I'll log the successful test sequence now.
Look, if we adjust this parameter here, the diagnostic shows a clear improvement.
Ah, much better. That stabilizes the entire sequence.
Look, line 42.
I think that's causing the overflow.
Okay, patched it. Compiling. Status okay. Nice catch.
The front axle is clear.
And the rear balance is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Total weight matches the specification. Look at the readout for the camber angle here.
It's fluctuating. Let me tighten the tie rod.
The left camber is still slightly off.
Okay, adjusting now.
And we have confirmation. It's perfect.
The legroom is generous. How do you find the seat support?
It's quite good, very plush, but still supportive.
The headroom is also excellent.
This is significantly better than the last model. The comfort rating is high.
I agree. The legroom measurement is spot on.
Verified. Verification complete.
Front alignment is reading -0.5 degrees.
All right, adjusting the tie rod now.
Still slightly off. Give it another quarter turn counterclockwise.
Alignment looks perfect on this side.
Great. Tire pressure is reading 35 psi exactly.
Okay, confirmed. We are good to go.
Final quality approval. We are good to go.
Agreed. Agreed.
Here are the keys to your new limousine, sir. Enjoy the ride.
It's magnificent, thank you.
Here is the key to your limousine, madam. Enjoy the ride.
Oh, thank you so much. It is absolutely stunning.